Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of October 18, 2021. Last week we kicked off with a strong earnings report from financial sector and a basic material. The U.S. inflation is at a 30-day high. The unemployment dropped down to 11%. The retail sales also rise sharply. The S&P 500 managed to snap back and break to a 50-day moving average with a strong breakout by many stocks. The gain in the last 2 days that have improved the long-term outlook for the S&P 500 chart. The Nasdaq also moved up strong with the support of the software and semiconductor stocks in the uptrend confirmed. Next week we are continue to with the full earnings report, so enjoy your uptrend until the next FOMC meeting on November 3rd. So next week we will have some economy report on the industrial, the housing data report, and a weekly jobless claim report also. So now let's take a look on the major indices. As you know that the Bitcoin is also back on the headline. I'm going to show you the 3 Bitcoin related ETF and stocks that are on the move. So first of all, let's take a look on the S&P 500. As you can see here, the market is able to follow the support, push it back up, they hit the resistance, they pull back down, but the last 3 days they'll be able to push it back up and break out a downtrend line. So the momentum is pick up to the uptrend. We still have to test the all-time high around 42 to 45, 49 area here. If they can punch through this area here, and then the market will continue to push it up to the upside. But we have to watch out at this level. It's like last year on December, on the October, they push it back up, and then they slam it down before they can go higher for the Christmas rally. But this year, they only pull back a 5% correction, they stabilize, and now they find a way to put it up. So if this one is the momentum, it look like the invert head and shoulder here. So if the market continues to get to this level and they can punch through that level, we will have more bullish in the future. So yet enjoy your uptrend until the next FOMC meeting to see that either the market will break out or they will pull back. We will monitor and let you know. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also be able to break out a downtrend line. The momentum is shift up to the upside. They are in the bull confirmed right now. So until they get up to the top here again. The Dow, it also break out the downtrend line. Momentum push it back up, and they are continue to, with a strong momentum, try to break out this area here. If they can clear this one here, the Dow will be more bullish in the future. If you look at the Russell 2000, it still just be sideways. They found a support at the bottom, they put it back up, but they get back here, they fell at the sell zone again. So let's see next week they'll be able to hold up at this level. If they can hold up, then we will see that they'll be able to get up to the next level on the top here again. But on Friday they hit to the sell zone and then they pull back down strongly. So it still have some problem here at this level. So yet wait and see to see how next week it candle look like. They will give it more clue. They'll be able to continue to put it up or not. And if you look at the crude oil, it also very strong. It continue to put it high, low, and punch up to the upside, as you can see there. And the gold, they try to push it back up, but they fell at the moving average here, and then they slam it down again. So the momentum is still negative. And if you look at the VIX, it also they fall apart after they break out the support, and now they are get into the support here again. So let's see it next week. They will hold up at this level, or they bounce back before they can slam it down again. So but at least the VIX is in the low bound area here, so the market will more calm than the people. They will have the S&P 500 to go higher. But in the other hand, the 10-year Treasury note is still threatening the market right now. So the inflation is still high, potential interest rate is still be able to push it up high, but they try to pull back up. So right now they are at the strong level of resistance here. So if they fail to break higher, they will continue to put it down, and the market will continue, the technology stuff will continue to put it up again. If you look at the Bitcoin, it come back to the headline, as you can see here. Right now, the Bitcoin is trying to punch through the area here, okay, which is the pivot sell zone here. So by Monday will be a lot of news on the Bitcoin. So if that's the good news, this one can continue to punch through this level and head up to the top again. The Ethereum is also pretty strong here. They break out and continue to put it back up to test the 4,000 shortly here. And as you know that trading is a very risky business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme like many people are thinking. If you don't know technical analysis and understand the market psychology, and without the proper risk management, then for sure you are at risk. The expert trader course offered by Stock Navigators, we will teach you the right education to fit your trading objective to be a successful trader or investor. But we understand that very hard for you to know everything overnight. So we will mentor and support you every day in our live Q&A with multiple instructors until you are successful, so that you can get support by our strong Discord community with thousands of members willing to share their ideas and support new members so that you can follow along. So this is the only way that you can build your own financial freedom and take care of your financial future. Now let's go deep inside of the 11 sector of S&P 500 so we can see more in detail. So the sector that have been turned around and strong, that the industrial sector here, after they found the support, they'll be able to punch it up and continue to put it back up high here. And you can see that the inside the industrial sector, the Dow Transportation, after many months pull back down, they'll be able to break out and continue to put it up high. So in this sector, you can see that since last week, I already showed you some stock like UPS. Okay, it continues to be able to break out and continue to the upside. CSX, okay, that's another one, pretty strong there. And NSC, okay, it's very strong move since last YouTube that we have for you. And ST, that's another one that yet are now earning. It's pretty strong here. They break out and go straight up. Okay, so the next sector that we look at, the financial sector. The financial sector, they kick off the earning with a lot of talk, with they'll be able to break out the big base here and continue to the upside. And you can see that some good stock there is still doing, they put back down, they try to find put a way to put it back up. But a lot of stock they already are now earning, like Goldman Sachs is pretty strong. They try to get back up. Okay, SCSW, Charles Schwab, investment banker, they are doing very well. Like Charles Schwab continue to put it up high there. Bank of America, local bank, it's also doing very well here. And BLK, that's another turnaround. They also found support and put it up to the uptrend again. The basic material is also very strong. They kick up the earning with the Alcoa, which is a aluminum company. They are still doing very well here, so they have a good earning and a good guidance. So this stock will still continue to put it up to the upside. If you look at the technology sector, it's also very strong. After they pull back, found support and found a backup, and you see that the software is still very strong. They have been run up here. Let's see they get stuck at the sell down here. Let's see they'll be able to punch through it, or they will pull back before they can go higher. And a lot of stock in this sector have been doing well, like Microsoft, as you can see here, SUBS. That's another one. It's pretty strong. They run up and now they go sideways, but the momentum is still in the uptrend. The XLV, which is another healthcare bio sector, they have been in the correction for since beginning of December until now, but look like they try to looking for some support here, stabilize here. Let's see they'll be able to continue to put it back up and reset up about here, or if they turn around. But some stock like a lot of stock like Johnson Johnson, the vaccine stock, they have been hit hard after Merck they come out with the pill to take care a coronavirus. So those stocks they fall off the cliff, but now they're looking for the support in around this area here. Okay, so Johnson Johnson, mRNA, okay, Moderna, that's another one. Okay, they try to hold on to the support here. If they fail to support here, they can go lower, but if they be able to hold up, they try to look for to put it back up to fill up the gap here. And the Pfizer is also another vaccine stock. They have been slammed down very hard after they hit the top here, and now they are pulled back down and looking for support in this area here also. So now we're looking for the reversal, and then we can looking for some kind of rebound there. The energy sector is still doing very strong. Okay, if the oil price at pretty high, more than $80 barrel, the energy stock, the strong energy stock, they still hold up very well. Couple of stocks that we follow last week, like CLR. Let me see, CLR is still very strong, a little bit extended, so we should wait for the pullback in order to get back in again. FANG, that's another strong one, but they are too fast, so they need to pull back before give it the better opportunity there. Same thing like this one, they're very strong and continue to put it back up. On the industrial sector, as you can see there, we're doing very well, and some of the stock they're going to and now earning next week. It belong to the industrial and transportation sector. Okay, so this stock, if we can clear this one here, it will be more bullish in the future here. Let's see after the earning to be able to put it back up and break to this level there. Okay, and last week that we also show you a lot of cyber security stock. They also doing pretty well. Okay, so the first one is the CIBR. Okay, net is also very strong since we mentioned last week, and PANW is still doing extremely well there. And the auto stock we all mentioned last week. Some of the stocks like car is still very strong there. TTM, that the India automotive is to go straight up since last week. Now it's from 25 they go up to 35, 34 at only 1 week. It goes straight up there. It's still in high demand. And as you know that the cryptocurrency markets are rallying ahead of the Bitcoin future ETF application ruling that are expected to come as soon as next week. So the Bitcoin aim to break out the April high right here. Okay, so as you know that Cathy Wood is back on the headline again. That the ARK investment also apply position to get involved with the exchange traded fund ETF so that they can track in the Bitcoin future. So the symbol name is ARKA. If they approve by the SEC, then that will be another ETF that you can take a look. But if you don't have $60,000 to buy one Bitcoin, here are some alternative solutions that you can do. I will show you 3 ticker symbols that you can put in your watchlist, and let's see how they are going to do. First one is the COIN. Let's see the Coinbase. Okay, so the Coinbase it when IPO not so long ago, and then now they pull back down. Now they'll be able to file the support. As you know that Coinbase is the San Francisco-based crypto exchange. The Coinbase is known to the world as one of the most popular and secure online platforms for people to buying, selling, and transferring and storing cryptocurrency. So the Coinbase, they just called for the new regulator and framework for the crypto sector, which the SEC is looking to finalize by next week. So this stock, if they be able to clear that area here, they will continue to get back to the original IPO price around $300 here shortly. Okay, and if the next one that I want to show you is BKCH. Okay, so this one is they call a global X blockchain ETF. The underlying index is designed to provide exposure to the companies that are positioned to benefit from future advance in the field of blockchain technology, the digital asset mining, blockchain, and digital asset transaction and integration. So this topic also they come out IPO not so long ago. They put it back up, slam back down. Now they be able to put it make it high low here. And if it's the good news on the Bitcoin, those stocks is to be able to continue to go up to the upside. And the next one I want to show you is a HUD. They call it HUD 8 Mining Corporation. So the HUD 8 Mining Corporation is one of the world's largest digital currency miners. They are specialized in Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. They own numerous crypto mining data centers which utilize a fixed rate electricity contract to mine the Bitcoin. So this water it have been pulled back down, pulled back up to the sell zone. They pull back. Now they be able to break out the sell zone and continue to put it up to the upside. So beside these stocks, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we will handpick many stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below to help my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care, everyone.